Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to tell you a very important question that you need to ask yourself anytime any trigger, any wound, anything happens. This question will help you identify the root cause of those triggers. Why it has been happening to you, why you lack self confidence, why you feel depressed, why you are unable to connect with people, why you do not want to go outside, why you do not want to embrace life. Those dark nights when you are crying by yourself, why are those happening? Why do you suddenly feel so negative? This is the question that many people use to identify their blockages, their wounds. If you journal, or even if you don't journal, ask this question, write on a paper and ask yourself repeatedly. I'm going to tell you this question later on in this video. But first, one thing needs to change. Our mindset needs to change. Why we are doing this healing, why we are trying to do this inner work, it is not that something is wrong with us. Nothing is like that. We are perfect the way we are. But the thing is that we have forgotten how divine we are. The only reason you are doing this is to know yourself. Through this journey, I am trying to know myself. I am in a self learning journey. There is a lot that I am not aware about myself. That is what I want to know. It is not something wrong with me. It is like you got a wound here. Now it has to clear so that you can see your original skin. Once it is healed, you will be again back to your original self and you will be able to know you without those scars. And that is what we all are searching for. We are searching for ourselves. All the love, all the confidence, whatever you are looking for, it is not outside. Nothing will satisfy you that is happening outside. Everything is inside here. The soul is divine. You have everything you need. You are complete. But let us find out how we can clear this all and find our original self. The more you want to be in your light, the more you have to face your shadow self too. And this shadow self is nothing to be afraid of, because shadow is not just all those triggers, all those wounds. It is not just that. When you work on that, you will be able to identify your strength. So let me understand what is inside of me. Why I am such a people pleaser. Why I am unable to say no to people. Why I am unable to stand my ground. Why I am unable to set my boundaries. The main question, the only question that you need to ask is, what is the worst that can happen? So, for example, you are a people pleaser, you are unable to set your boundaries. You have to ask just this one question and keep repeating it until you find out the root cause of it. So you ask yourself, what is the worst that will happen if I stop people pleasing? What is the worst that will happen if I set my own boundaries? What is the worst that will happen if I say no to people? What it all comes down to is, I'll be left alone. Nobody will be around me. Nobody would like me unless I please them. They will not accept me as I truly am. All of it comes down to abandonment issues. That means you have to work on those abandonment issues. When you come down to that root cause, if you felt abandoned, connect that with God. I felt abandoned by God. I did not feel loved by God. Because when we came here, we thought, why are we separate from God? Why cannot we see Him? We are feeling separate from Him because we are unable to find His presence. Even when people tell us that God is everywhere, there is some feeling of separation, that God abandoned me. Is it because I am not worthy of love? That is where lack of self worth comes, because you feel that even God is not loving you because He separated Him from you. But that is not the truth. So we are here to identify the truth that we are always connected to God and we are always connected to each other. Everything. Look at everything with love. Look at everything with oneness. We are all one. You are a reflection of me. I am a reflection of you. We are all one, and that is what we came here to learn. So, after that, when you have identified the root cause, when you have connected it with God, this is what you must do. Whatever you felt, say the opposite of it. God heals, God protects, God is with me all the time, God is present with me. I am in oneness with God. Whatever I am doing, I am doing this for divine. Whatever I am experiencing, God is experiencing with me. I am always in oneness with God. The pain is temporary. Whatever I'm experiencing right now, whether it is joy, whether it is pain, or whatever it is, whatever emotion you are experiencing, God is experiencing it through you, with you. Whatever I'm saying right now, and whatever you are listening, it is not because you and I wanted this. It is because God wanted this for us, and it is happening. It is all His divine Leela. It is all His doing. Another thing that you can do to feel that connection with God is you can chant any mantra, whichever God, whether it is Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, or any guru you believe in, whoever you believe in, you connect with them through a mantra. This mantra or bhajan or whatever you can call it, that should be a part of your daily life. Listen to it in the morning, right when you wake up. Listen to it before you sleep. It will remind you of your eternal connection with God. You are always one with God. This soul, it is so magical. Whatever is happening beyond our control, it is all His doing. Everything is being handled by Him. Trust in Him. Whether it is a sunny day or whether it is a rainy day, whether it is a good or a bad day, everything you are experiencing, God is experiencing with you. He is supporting you, and you are never alone. If you love my content, do subscribe, do share it with people who will love to hear this, who really need this. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for showing so much love. I love you all.